Here's a question. What are you doing today to advance your career in film? Okay. I know it's cool to be associated with the film industry. It's kind of got a cool little vibe, right? But do you know the difference between association and commitment? You see, a chicken is associated with ham and eggs, but to a pig, it's a major commitment. Are you committed to the film industry? Are you committed to a career in film? Do you know what an overnight success is? An overnight success is someone who's busted their butt for 5, 8, 10 years, honing their craft, investing in themselves, and getting themselves out there. So if they are full of enthusiasm and hard work, eventually they put themselves in a position to be seen by someone else, and they get hired and get work and get to continue honing their craft. Well, my question to you is, what are you doing today, right now? Well, Chuck, what should I be doing right now? Well, you know what? What you should be doing right now, if you're an actor, you should be taking classes. If you're a director, you should be looking at other directors' films and seeing things that you like about them. If you're a writer, you should be writing. Writers write. If you're a producer, you should be looking at business models of how films get financed these days. You should be doing something, because you can't just sit back and rest on your talent or your good looks and expect to get into the film industry. It's about work. It's about networking. Do you belong to a film meetup or a group? How active are you? Do you just show up and have drinks with your buddies? Or do you get in there and network and talk to people and learn? If you're passionate about the film industry, you need to get out there and be piggy about it. Be a pig, right? Get it? That's why I started doing DIY Film Guy, to give you the information and the inspiration you're going to need in your commitment to the film industry. So please, like our Facebook page, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and join our mailing list. All these things to give you that kick in the butt you're going to need to be successful. And these days, guys, if you want to be successful in the film industry, you gotta do it yourself.